want to be like Jordie.
What? I have no idea what I just did right now.
Alright, it's a little messy. I haven't really had time to be home from Disneyland. Just did the thing, got back last night late. I'm not wearing this hat. My friend Krista is gonna give me a Mario hat, but we're gonna be red and blue, Mario and Luigi. We were gonna do overalls, but she didn't have any, and I decided I didn't wanna have a hard time using the restroom, so it's cold. This is as good as I can do right now. Let's go!
Luigi! Get over here! It's Mario! It's a Luigi!
This music is the perfect time for me to showcase my hidden Harry and my Mickey and just ignore the dents that my pants made in my legs. They're tight, like me. Oh, that's cute. That matches your outfit. We're gonna take a picture now. I also don't know if my camera's broken or not, but we'll find out later. Mine has more clothes on.
Oh, and they spelled my name with a Y.
Why would they do that?
Get it, honey?
Every time I suck a Y.
Why would they do that?
I went right over.
We got egg bites too. We don't know what kind of food we're gonna get here. We don't know what this place is. Oh wow, this is their version of Mickey Mouse. I like to move it, move it. He's moving it. Move it! I like to move it, move it. What is he do? He's flossing over there? What is he, a dentist? I wonder if he can do the gritty. We in the hood right now. We're not at Disneyland anymore. We in the hood. I mean, this place has a jail, dude. To live and die in the hood. There's a lot of innuendos here. A lot of innuendos. Okay, kids, cover your eyes.
Seated and keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
Mario
This studio
Kart.
is private property, so if at any point you drop your phone or just can't wait to use the restroom, just pull the cord and
Watch the
remain
live stream
seated.
if you want later.
Also, please note London Square, so it was seen in Marvel's Agent Carter as well as Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.
Ah, they better not squirt me, man. Ew.
In certain sections, we can have the actors stand directly under one of the sprinkler sections, and we can adjust the camera angle to make it look like it's raining everywhere. The thunder is coming from speakers hidden in the set, and the lightning is from strobe lights. We do have to be a little bit careful with rain though, because too much can cause a flash flood. We'll keep it out on the left-hand side. Thousands of gallons of water that are now draining down through the bottom. They'll be recycled and brought back up to the top of the hill. We'll like trim them around. That flash flood was seen in the movie Big Fat Liar.
This is the earthquake.
Yeah. They squirted us. Oh, that feels nice. I like that. Whoa. You guys see that? It was a dolphin.
We all go a little mad sometimes.
Is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
Remember that one? No? It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret.
Still waiting for the Nintendo World reservation time. Gonna look for food in here. Got it, there we go. Alright, we're heading in.
Who is that? Is that Batman?
I'm Batman. I'm Batman. It's Lego Batman! You're right, Krista.
Is it?
Look guys, it's Lego Batman. Wow. Okay. I have no idea. Okay, so we're gonna go inside now. I'm live streaming also, Inception. eating this already? Yeah, me too. Hi! How's it going? Are you guys having fun? This is cool. Wow. Yeah. Bye. Were we able to get a Toadstool Cafe dress? Okay. Alright, so our first objective is trying to get Toadstool Cafe reservations. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we couldn't get into Toadstool Cafe. All their reservations were done, son. This is so crazy. This is so cool. I feel like I'm in Alice in Wonderland. Okay, we're in the queue for the ride. Which ride is this?
Mario Kart.
Mario. You say it like so Italian. Where'd she go? We're in line. Alright, so this queue is apparently very large because it's 15 minutes. But it doesn't look like it. So cute. Okay, it's finally happening. It's finally happening. So since this is like VR, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to film it, but we can tell you about it, right?
Yeah, we can do a review about
We'll
it.
just tell you about it. You can do it yourself. Anyone? Alright, then we're gonna wear this hat. I'm not really into it.
I'm ready.
I think we look kind of good.
Stop lying.
It looks like we have full haircuts.
Oh my god, yeah, because of this.
We look like Edna Mode, darling.
Edna Mode. No case.
My helmet is not. I didn't even know I had to put this on my helmet.
So you have to look to shoot. So wherever you have to press the right button and then look, and that's where you shoot. This is so cool.
I think we got stuck.
Oh, here we go.
There's a lot going on here.
I'm overstimulated.
I don't even know where to look. There's stuff happening inside my glasses. Wow, that was so cute. That was a lot.
That is so cool.
You really can't like vlog and do this. That's for sure. You need both of your hands.
Yeah.
So, but that was really cool. I was confused half the time. I have no idea what happened. What? I have no idea what I just did right now. What? I don't know.
I just kept saying, wow.
Wow. I heard like all of this stuff is like super expensive. Like the burger. So it's us.
I want him as a bodyguard.
I like how he's walking. I have no idea what's happening.
Do you know how much we get? Do you know how much we got?
When you have the band, you get to do all those little things. That's cool. I don't even know where we were right now.
Now we're gonna go, now that we have the 3 keys, we're gonna go fight Bowser.
Oh.
ahead, Jordie.
All the car stuff that's happening and the driving stuff, and like you aim by looking around and then you press these buttons to shoot. I get it now, right? The second time I go on, I get it.
the assignment.
Yep. Let's talk about what we think overall. So I would say it's really cool, but it's just like this little pocket. It's like a little cage, like a little hamster cage. It's really small. There's not much besides what you see here. And there's only one ride. And then the cafe, with the only place for the food, closed.
This is at 7.
What did you think, Krista?
I mean, I like it. For what it is, it's Universal's most immersive experience. And I think it's really, really well done. But very long.
Yeah, but we like it. We'd come back.
I'm definitely coming back.
Yeah, we're coming back. We went on the ride twice, so
Yeah.
that's cool.
Just for the ride itself. Like, wow.
They said we could go on it again, but we said no.
1, 2, 3, okie dokie.